this is at cold. I just turned it on. I mean, it idles about 1,000, but I don't know if you can hear the misfiring. Like the car's super shaky, as you can see the camera. So it's still cold. I mean, fuel pressure still good. Gas gauge doesn't work, so it's not the problem. Might seem like if you look back, it's just sitting here shaking. So I've tried everything. I tried the cleaning out their all the sensors. TPS should be set right. What's it called? I checked my timing. A lot of people saying maybe it's the EGR or the little Lego on the distributor, the ignition module, but I'm not sure. If any thoughts or ideas will help. What's it called? The car kind of bucks a little bit sometimes in the morning. It all depends. See if I can drive it real quick. Oh, it's like sputtering. You hear it almost turned off there when I gave it a little bit of gas. Oh. Whoa. I see it was turned off on me right there. I have to let go of the gas to turn it on. Kind of bucking right now. Whoa. Yeah, it just what's it called? It tends to turn off on me just right when I give it gas after I stop. If I go to try to give it a little bit of gas right now. See, it just kind of tends to want to die on me. I have to ease it off the gas for it to kind of come back. Whoa. Then it kind of just, if I give it a little bit of gas, it just kind of goes away after a little bit. If I let go of the gas and give it back, it kind of bucks. And yeah, I already changed the fuel filter. It's a brand new one. Whoa, it tends to turn off. Yeah, man, if you guys can give me any ideas, you know, just go ahead and let me know what you guys think. Thanks.